All right. Welcome to the first test of the web components quadcopter. We have 4 motors here. Matches are attached to the motors just so you can see the directions that they are spinning. Here's all the circuitry and power source. Those are the motor controllers here and hooked up to the Raspberry Pi. Okay, let's run this thing. All right, we're SSH'd into the Pi, and as you can see, we'll do a little npm start. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right, we have our Express application listening on port 5000. So let's go. Ooh, a nice little web interface here. We've got each of the motors represented. Okay, let's turn them on. And we'll increase the speed. Okay, starting slow. Here they go. Faster. 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 Full speed. Okay, reverse. Reverse. Awesome. Let's slow them down. Speed them up again. Oh. All right, let's reverse motor 1. And reverse it again. Let's reverse motor 2. And reverse it again. And reverse motor 3. And reverse it again. And now motor 4. And we'll reverse motor 4 again. Turn them on and off. Reverse everyone. And that's the first test.